Hi friends, this is Bharat. Today we are going to talk about factory method design pattern. Factory method is a creational design pattern used in case you want subclasses to choose which class to instantiate. There could be multiple motivation to implement this pattern. For example, eliminate the need to bind application specific classes into code and you code against the interface such that it will work with any class that implements that interface or extends the abstract class. In other words, your class should not be tightly coupled with any concrete implementation. It is similar to Game Maker Studio where you can create your own Temple Run or SuperMario game and can extend the base stage or level to create a custom stage. The new level can be instantiated through a factory based on a defined logic and included along with existing stages.
Now let's implement a sample code to understand it further. Let's jump right in.
First, let us create the eye level interface with one method called play. Let's create few levels for the user to play in a mountain, underwater, in a terrain, etc. First, let us create the class mountain, which implements the eye level interface. For now, let's console write line. So whenever user enters into this level, the play function is going to construct and allow the user to play in mountain. Pretty simple. Let us create more levels like this. Let the next one be in water and in terrain. Now let's create the game factory which would help to instantiate these classes. And expose a method called getLevel which the client will call. And the client has to pass which level he actually wants. And if the level is mountain, then we are going to return new mountain. Else if is equal to water, you will say return new water. Or by default, let's return, let the default stage be terrain. Now we are done with the library code. Let's look at the client code. In order to access all these levels, all the client has to do is has to create a new game factory and request for that level from the factory object. Say level 1 is equal to factory dot get level terrain, which is the default level as well, and start the game, start the play. Let's create couple more levels here, level 2 and level 3. Let the level 2 be in water and level 3 in mountain. 1, 2 and 3. Let's execute the code now. You will be able to see that the construction of the terrain, water and mountain object happened through the factory.
If you are attending interview or a student, please check out source code from link given in video description below and implement the questionnaire along with test cases. Share your code in the comment section so everyone can benefit from it. I shall also try to answer any of your queries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.